Hello everyone. In this video, we'll understand how to open database for our PEGA project in personal edition. So for that, we know this is the navigation. So you have to open this PRPC personal edition and then these subfolders, and we all know this. And if we just double click on this software has to be opened in the browser mode. Okay, so once this is opened, it has to be showing like servers 1, and if we expand, it has to show like localhost. Since our PEGA server is currently running on localhost, it has to be by default showing up like localhost. But now problem here is there will be some scenarios or there will be few candidates saying like there will not be localhost showing up for them. So let me show you that image also. This is the image what generally students say like servers is not or localhost is not showing for them. So for that, they have to connect this PEGA server to this environment manually. So for that, they are supposed to right click on the servers, and they have to go for server group. So they have to go for servers. Okay. So here they are supposed to give the name like localhost. They have to give it like localhost. After entering localhost here, next they have to click on connection, and here also they have to give everything like localhost in lowercase. After giving localhost here and here, they should be clicking on save. So by default port number will be 5432, and they have to click on save. If that is accepting, it is okay. If not, you have to give the exact port number what you have given while installing. So maybe whenever you have installed PEGA personal edition, so in the earlier screens there will be some kind of port availability, right? So generally it will show like 8080 5432. Okay, so if the port is not available, you might be giving some other number, maybe 5433 or some other number. So whatever the number you gave there, whatever the port number you gave there while installing, here also you have to give the same number. So if you have changed that changed number, that new number has to be entered. If not, by default 5432. Suppose if you have changed to some other number, maybe you forgot it now. How to identify that? So for that, just open same PRPC personal edition, and after that there will be something called Tomcat. Just open this Tomcat folder and just open this config, and there will be context file, XML file. So right click on this and just open this in Notepad. So if we just open, there will be some kind of JDBC URL where you can see the port number what it is connected with. So if we have given new number there, that new number has to be showing up here, maybe 5431 or 5433, whatever. So this number you have to identify it from here, and then you are supposed to provide it here and then click on save. Automatically our PEGA server will be connected and it will be showing under this one. So in this way you can able to connect it to this local host. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for every one of you, and if so, you can like, share and subscribe this. Thank you.